Actually, commonly, art and literature only can bring some change to the society.
Yeah.
So without art, can't do anything about this society. That is valuable, powerful weapon for them.
Yeah.
Comparatively, and allied people, also the folk people also. So many different kinds of things. I think art people are used for nothing. At the same time, simultaneous actually folk people are using young. This is re gamma. Same notation have comprised transformed to folk art. It will be for young, 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 young. That folk notations. There are, for the example, the music instruments was the playing the tabil.
Yeah.
Tamil people actually Tamil also there are two categorized divisions.
Right.
The classical people are not using for this.
Right.
Folk people are using for this double side. They're using for the sticks. The big one and small. Sindukuchi. The name of Tamil name for Sindukuchi and then
Sindukuchi.
yeah, Sindukuchi. Chinda small things.
Yeah.
The puppy. Chinna. Yeah, stick. That is a difference. But the both people are using. So that is a just a difference. The classical people are reducing the density levels, voice levels very low. But folk people are living together in the area and then exposing the voice, enlarge the voice. Vocal cord can the enlargement of.
Like even now,
That is
your
the-
voice is so loud that it's
I-
from a microphone. It's coming full.
Okay, that is the folk art.
Yeah.
So that reason for the art and literature, not only for art and literature can bring some change to the society. It will transform to change to the society.
But folk arts are now in, it's kind of dying out also because not many practitioners. It is people don't want to get into that profession anymore, and they want to become
No, art will be
creators.
there. Actually, for the theater, not who does it, what the event does it. What is event? That is, the people are not considering for particularly the government side, not providing some economical status and
But
then.
government never, they always think on classical arts and never
Yes,
thought about folk arts.
yeah.
But they can.
For the example, so one night actually the carnival or the temple moving the
So folk
yeah
artists can survive.
8 to early morning 6 o'clock
I've
just
seen.
per head 2000 2.5 2000 just 2.500 rupees. But at the same time classical bill within 1.5 hour 1 lakh 1.5 lakh 2 lakhs.
Yeah. So
That is it.
how can they survive? That is what I'm saying.
Yeah, that is
It is dying, no? So then they
dying.
can.
No. It is not dying. It is not. The like Shakespeare says, no. Yeah, any corner, anywhere in the world, any corner of the world, this must be happen. We can't separate from the art like this. This is our life. This is life, and this thing are same. For me, that is for my favorite area is tales and lores. It is like agriculture. It's like biological living way of living style. So there is a rhythm like paddy, it is like we can't no art we can't this art is dying. No, it's not. It is. I am for my side. It is not.
Saying it is not many practitioners.
Practitioner means.
You cannot survive on 2,500 nowadays. I mean, that is the sad thing.
That is a government policy.
Other jobs.
No, that is a.
They do this for the love of it.
No,
Like
classical.
Sure.
No, okay,
Government.
the artists also,
Yeah,
I know,
Mm.
but they cannot do it full time.
The-
They'll have a day job,
Yeah.
and then when there is a Tiruvira or the temple festival, they perform.
Oh, okay,
That's what I'm saying.
I understand this point. That classical kind of art, the people, they are professionally they are doing that is professional kind of thing. But they are these people living with agriculture, daily life. It is mixed with life and their work, and then this art. So this is the speciality of folk art.
Yes.
The-
Yeah, that's the yeah.
because they can live, they can work with a whole day night day on the paddy field.
Yeah.
One is going on. Actually, it's
stamina, yeah.
comparatively, so both art is same.
Yeah.
The art is not separated, both. But new untouchability is going on. Yeah, yeah, new untouchable. Yeah, that is the pathetic for this nowadays is it's going on society.
Mm.
Yeah,
But so
actually, the government programs also people are not doing check or transfer once signed. They don't have any idea of how much amount. But they are illiterate people.
oh, okay.
That is it. So you have to sign here. Na? The people are signed. But per head
Mm.
5,000.
Mm.
But so climbing just 1,500. 1,500.
Mm.
So go not only for this.
Mm.
All of
everything.
yes.
So this particular art form, that what is it called? That
Which
the
one?
folk art that you did.
No, this is we are improvised. That is it is an improvised program. With I'm here. He is
Narrating and we
yeah. No, I'm not. No. It is like story with songs. Story with the song. Like a song and drama. No, that is once there's a form in southern Tamil Nadu. That is Sangarada Swamigal form. That is song and drama. Like dance theater means it's drama like a theater dance. Now this form in the in southern part of Tamil Nadu, there is a form Sangeeta Nadagam. I think you all in Bengal also there is there. Sangeeta
I think it is
Isai Nadagam Isai Nadagam.
Yeah, look like
Isai Nadaga.
more like Tirukuthu.
Yeah. Isai Nadagam Marabu. But today this is a new form like a Kada Kalashavam, Villupat. This kind of we are trying. We are trying for this beautiful happy moment. We are accommodating us for this day, special day for the 1 day celebration. So I think it is not planned program. It is.
Nice. It is spontaneous. Some people like
actually the West Bengal also Chalita
Yeah, the music, yeah.
this is they take a one word and then comparatively transform to other guys. The lyrics or vocal or story or something.
Yeah.
So that it's not only for you also support with the folk art, folk artists.
Same way. I saw one of my experiences, Salil Chaudhary. I saw his composition with two violin, uh, 200 of instruments, lots of wonder in the AVM studio. I saw that. That is very beautiful, very improvised. It is not like planned one, but it's great music. No, it is. We don't know when the creation. Yeah. In Bengal, Ravindra Sangeet, there is like a storytelling and everything, no, with music. So that we are trying this because this land like that, where Auroville always this kind of performances regular moment. But today is there is I'm from one side. My brother is somewhere, and then Akka. So I don't know. I don't know where that. But we love this. Yeah. This like same way in Sangeet Nadakam, Sangaram southern part. No, I already told you Sangeeta Nadakam. The artists they know. One artist from that Rajapat people from somewhere, Streetpart people, women, they are from somewhere. There is no rehearsal on that day, but whole life they perform whole life. They know whole script. Yeah. Even the villagers also know the stories. That is a specialty of Indian theater. Yeah. If it is any wrong things, simply the audience raise a question. In Telugu, I am from southern part. He is here. Here there is a
lot of much. We also getting a little.
yeah. Even they mentioned my diction. Yeah. There is in Tamil three la. Yeah. La. 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 The southern people they never use this last lava. Yeah. Tamil, that is Tamil, special of Tamil. Yeah, the beginning of my day here in this Auroville people, please try to speak right it, correct it. Yeah. Time. Two artists never die. At the same time, you are, if you want to live truthfully, you have to live truth. So automatically heart and then mind. Thank you.
So